Today, I'm going to show you how to record computer audio in Audacity. Start by opening Audacity. At the top, click on Audio Setup, then go to Audio Settings. For the host, make sure you select Windows Audacity. This is very important if you want to capture system audio. Now go back and click on Audio Setup again. Under Recording Device, select your audio device. This should match your system output. Then do the same for Playback Device. Select the same device here as well. Next, go to Recording Channels and set it to 2 stereo. Now everything is set up correctly. To start recording, simply click the Record button. Play any audio on your computer, like a video or music, and Audacity will capture it directly. When you're done, click Stop, and your system audio will be recorded in your track. And that's how you record computer audio in Audacity. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.